If your Manitowoc ice machine is displaying a long harvest error, or the ice sheet is sticking to the evaporator longer than normal. One common cause is a failing air compressor. In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot the Manitowoc air compressor. Welcome to PartsFe. Begin by forcing a manual harvest cycle using the machine's control panel. Once the unit enters harvest, listen closely. This air compressor operates on 230 volts and should produce a steady humming sound during the harvest process. If the machine indicates it is in harvest mode, but the compressor remains silent, this points to a possible power supply issue or a failed motor. The next step is voltage verification. Only proceed if you are qualified to perform electrical testing. Using a multimeter, check the voltage at the wire leads connected to the air compressor. If proper voltage is present but the compressor does not operate, the motor has failed and will need to be replaced. If voltage is not present, the issue is more likely related to the control board or a wiring harness problem. If the compressor motor is running, airflow must be checked. Remove the clear plastic discharge tube from the bottom of the compressor while it is operating. You should feel a steady stream of air. Look for cracks, loose connections, or kinks. Even a small air leak can reduce pressure and extend harvest times. Installing a genuine Manitowoc air compressor helps restore proper harvest performance. For trusted commercial freezer replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.